Hello everyone, this is Mainak from Civil Center. In today's video, I will show you a very simple process of doing the response spectrum analysis in Tekla Structural Designer. So it come up with more videos on detail on this topic, but in this video, we'll keep it short and to the point. So first of all, this is the THD model which we have opened, and we'll go to model and in construction levels. Let me create the construction level for a small building model. I'll insert a level below and let's go minus 1.2, and I'll insert a level above. That's it. I'll give it a spacing of let's say 3.2 and do this as SSL structural slab level. Give it a slab thickness of 100 mm. So after having done that, I'll go to my structure window and as you can see here in the option of your levels, the levels are created. So I'll go to my plinth level, that is the structure base, and I'll just create a grid line. So I'll use a rectangular wizard for it, and I'll just create grid lines of x in xy 1 and let's say 6, and then I want 1 of let's say 4, and then click on next, and then finish. So once the grids are created, just take the column here, and remember in this particular column we have various options. I'll just use the default option here and just click on this. Grids columns are created, and in the plinth level I'll also create my beams, and I'll go to my structure 1 level, and in that also I'll just create my beams as well as my slab. After that, as you can see, this is the simple structure has been created here. So after that, let's apply some loads. So I'll apply basic live load, and we already know that THD takes into consideration the live widths. So I'll apply, just go to structure 1 and I'll use a basic imposed load of let's say, go to load and area load, or you can even take level load, and let's take a load of 2 kilonewton per meter square here, and as you can see this will be visible. So simple loads we have taken, and after that the first thing which we need to do is let us define some seismic loads. We can do that. So going to loads and going to seismic loads, seismic wizard, and then code spectra, and then we'll just do this as your structure plinth level, and importance factor will take as 1 for normal buildings, and let's just click on next. Use model response spectrum analysis, click on next. This is the RC moment resisting frame. Next, and moment frame systems we'll select here, and we'll just shift and select this and select all these considerations of live and dead load. Next, and then finish. After that we'll go operating. Next, in the Indian standards we'll go with the limit state combinations due to the seismic load, and after that we'll just go create the load combinations. Click on generate, next, and after that next, and finish. Click on OK, and then go to design, and then we'll have click on design all static. So once we click on the design all static, the design will be ready. So we'll just see here an option of in a seismic zone. So what we'll do, we'll just select all the columns first, and you'll just click here in a seismic zone direction 1, and we'll do this as ordinary moment frame, and after that we'll select all the beams here. While selecting, you can press Ctrl, and for rotating you can use the mouse right click option, and for selecting Ctrl and the left click option. So the beams have been selected. So here also we'll go to inner seismic zone and make this as ordinary moment frame, and we'll do this direction 1 and 2, and here also in both direction 1 and 2 we'll just go ordinary moment frame. So after having done that, we'll just go to design and then design all RSA. So as you can see, the building has been designed as per the RSA. Let's check the design. Select this, right click, and then design member RSA will just check the design here. So you can note that there is the RSA design which is shown. So you can also check out the forces. For that you can go to analyze, and in the analyze you can just select any particular load combination or loads. So I am selecting a basic load combination here, and after that I can do analysis of anything. So we can also just go to here results view, and in the results view here we can just select any type of analysis. Let's go first order RSA, and here we can check out the deflections here. As you can see here, you can check out the deflections. So here you can just take any load combinations also, and after taking the load combinations you can see the results. Turn on the results, and you can turn on the forces symbol. You can see the forces here, and you can also check the deflection and also the reactions also you can see here. So we'll just click on this option of your results, and then we'll check out the shear forces. So as you can see, this is the shear forces as per the first order RSA analysis, and again this is the moment as per the RSA analysis. So you'll get all the moments, shear forces if you want to do RSA analysis for research purpose also. So that's all for today's video on response spectrum analysis, and if you want live training from us, you can contact us. We have our course on G+3 building, planning and design using Tekla Structural Designer, in which we cover all the aspects starting from the planning, client dealing concept, architectural planning, structural drawing, and also we'll share our experience in this 24 hours live session. So if you are really interested to learn Tekla professionally from us, you can contact us using the link which has been given in the description. You can fill up that, or if you want to ask anything, we can do so using the number which has been given in the description. So have a good day and keep learning. Bye bye.